Meantime, the Herman Thomas trial just wrapped up for the day with a number of state witnesses taking the stand, including another accuser and his mother. Fox 2 News reporter April Douglas has been in court all day and joins us live with more. April?
Well, thank you, Lenise. 5 of the 14 accusers have now taken the stand in the Herman Thomas trial. One of those accusers today alleged that the judge sodomized him. Another says that the former judge, beat him with a belt, paddled him with a fraternity paddle, and touched him inappropriately. Now, the defense says these men are convicted felons and their stories change all the time, and they will say anything to get out of trouble, especially when they are facing jail time. One of Herman Thomas's accusers read part of a letter he wrote to Thomas. It read, "I remember when you told me you loved me. If you love me, you will help me." The letter was written while the young man was in prison on a 20-year sentence, a sentence handed down by the former circuit court judge. Under oath, the victim said, "He gave me 20 years because I wouldn't comply with paddling/sexual acts he wanted me to do." The state says the letters show jurors the hold Thomas had on his alleged victims.
There are a lot of these letters, and, we just are introducing those to show the relationship that had developed between the judge and these individuals.
The defense argued it wasn't uncommon for judges to receive letters from jail. It's commonly known as jail mail. The defense said the accuser tells people what they want to hear to get what he wants. Another state witness, the accuser's mother, took the stand. She testified Herman Thomas had been to her home and even helped her get a job at Metro Jail. The woman also said her son told her, quote, "The judge liked to spank boys," so she began taking notes.
She worked at Metro Jail and actually recorded the defendant leaving the jail with numerous other young men, at least one of whom is a named victim in this case.
The woman testified she never saw any other judges do the same. Now, during cross-examination, the defense questioned why, if this woman saw all of this, that she didn't tell authorities, especially since she worked at the jail. And the defense also pointed out that in those letters that we've seen today, none of them ever mentioned anything about any of these beatings.
All right, April, you mentioned the accuser wrote a letter to the judge. Curious, did the judge ever write back?
Well, for this accuser that took the stand today, the state says no, he did not write back to this accuser.